Hey guys, this is Pritam Pal and welcome to my channel Prince. So in my previous video I have shown you how to draw a normal block figure, and in this video I am going to show you how to modify that block figure into a stylized illustration pose. Suppose think you want to do a normal western figure. So for that western figure you need to draw a western pose, and if you want to draw a beach wear, you need to draw that kind of pose. And if you want to draw, suppose in a bridal wear, so for that bridal wear you need to visualize that nude figure in that stylized pose, and for that stylized pose you have to draw the block figure in such way. So here in this video I am going to show you so how can you modify that simple block figure to a stylized pose. Okay, so in this video I am going to show you a western pose, how to draw a western pose in a stylized block figure. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so for this western pose, see this western pose I'm gonna make it. Okay, so for this western pose first we need to visualize the nude figure. Okay, see this kind of nude figure we have to do. So for this nude figure we need to do the stylized block figure, and for this I'm just doing the balance line as I always do in every figure. See, so in top of the balance line I am doing head. Just observe the basic straight block figure and the stylized nude figure, and see the straight block figure how I am modifying this. Okay, see the neck portion, and the shoulder is little cross, so that's why I am doing this shoulder like this. This and this will be same, and now this waist portion I am doing as it is in this stylized nude figure. This and this will be parallel. Now I am doing the down waist and the crotch level. See, this down waist and the crotch level will be parallel like this. Okay, just observe the nude figure in this pop-up bar. In such way I am just following the nude figure, and I am doing these legs. This is straight, and that leg will be little cross like this. Observe the straight figure and see the modification I am doing. That's why it's called also the flash figure. It's like a fish, so that's why it's also called fish figure also. See, now I am doing the hand as this hand in the nude figure. I am doing as it is. After completing this we can easily just convert it to this nude figure. You can get the actual size and measurement with this block figure. That's why this block figure is very essential. See, my block figure is ready. Now you can easily convert this block figure to this press figure. See, this bent portion is also very easily visible, and from this nude figure you can easily wear your garment and your presentation will be ready. See. Hey, so now you know the process how to convert a normal block figure to a stylized block figure, and from this stylized block figure you can easily convert this into a stylized illustration pose which you want, and you just need to wear your designs which you decided, and your presentation is ready. So if you like this video you can just thumbs up it, and if you want to know the step-by-step way from illustration to front stage fashion show, so I will show you different pose. I will show you different step-by-step way how you can just illustrate to you can present your designs to a fashion show front stage. So if you like this video and if you want to know the process, then just subscribe our channel. I'll be there in your desktop or mobile. So good night, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are in this beautiful world. So bye.